Today I'll be showing you how to save your watercolor art like a pro. Most Procreate brushes are partially transparent, which means the moment you turn off the background, your artwork is suddenly transparent too. You can easily test this by making a layer under your artwork and scribbling on it with black paint. Depending on how good you see the black lines, your artwork is more or less translucent. This becomes a problem when you want to use your artwork on backgrounds that are not white. Like for example, if you want to sell your art to print-on-demand platforms and have them printed on t-shirts and sweaters, and people order your artwork on a dark sweater. The solution to this is simple. First you merge your artwork onto one layer and then you copy it. Click on the lower one of the copies. Click on the adjustment tool and choose the option Hue, Saturation, Brightness. Increase the brightness levels to maximum. We now have a white copy of our artwork, but because it has the same transparency as our artwork, in most cases it is still not opaque. So now we copy our white layer again and again and again and again and merge it and copy it again until the black test line is no longer visible. Now our artwork is opaque and can be put on all sorts of backgrounds, including black ones. Here you have a before and after. You can see for yourself what a massive difference it is. The last thing you want to do here is merge your artwork with the white layer. Before we go on to the next step, remember to merge your artwork onto one layer. First we toggle off our background. Then we click on our artwork and choose the option Select. This will make the background look striped. Next we click on our paper texture group, swipe left and click on Unlock, and then we open it. Now we click on each layer in this paper texture group and choose the option Mask. If you have subgroups in your paper texture group, that's no problem, just open it, unlock it, and choose the option Mask for every layer. If you accidentally choose a wrong layer, one that you've already made a mask for, in your menu, the option Mask will not be visible. That's how you know you already made the mask for this one and you can go on. You know you've successfully turned every layer into a mask when your background turns transparent. The last step before saving is to crop the image. We get rid of the excess background we have here. And that was it. Now we save our image as a PNG and now we're done. If you want to save your artwork with a watercolor texture and with a transparent background, you have to be cautious. As you can see, if you just toggle off the white background, the watercolor texture is still in the background. In order to get a transparent background, you have to turn the paper texture into a clipping mask. Perfect. Now you can save your artwork on a transparent background. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing and commenting.